Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I am back with a short plant video, and this is how my sedum is growing. It has finally occupied the whole container, and this is my ruby's necklace. This is how she is dangling downwards. A beautiful succulent, very easy to grow and propagate. And I can see some oxalis growing in between the sedums, and look at how pretty the sedum looks. A wonderful plant. Now this is my variegated pothos. Although I have a jungle of variegated pothos, I had planted one in a small container so that I can gift it to someone. This is my sedum given to me by Rosa, which she had brought all the way from Darjeeling from her sister-in-law's garden. Right now it is looking healthy and much activity is not noticed in this plant, but I think it is in the resting phase right now. I believe succulents have resting phase like the geraniums, so it's enjoying and taking rest. And this is my beautiful calathea. Now it has 3.5 leaves, as one of the leaf has started to show signs of curling up as it has turned brown. And this is the pinstrip calathea, the darker green one. This is also equally beautiful, and I love the lines. The lines are peach in color, peach, or you can say baby pink in color. What a beauty, look at that. And that's the new leaf which is going to unfold very soon. Now those of you who watch my plant videos know that spider plant is also one of my favorite, and this is how she looks. Wait, I'm going to show you my pot full of sedum again, as the sun is out slightly. And this is my geranium, and I was waiting for it to bloom, and finally it has bloomed. This is the pot that I had bought about 20 days back, and this is the first time it is blooming under my care. What a beauty, look at that rose pink, oh my god. But I think the size of the flowers have diminished little, I feel. I don't know sorry, I might be wrong also, because most of the buds haven't opened yet. Showing you the sedum again, but because the color has intensified a bit. And this is the joy of growing succulent. In spite of all the setbacks that I get while growing succulents, I still love them and will also grow them in future. These are my baby geraniums, and they are propagated from seeds. Can you imagine? It has been grown from seeds. I just love them. Now this is my Echeveria pulvinate ruby, which looks green now, and I love them when they are green, but when they turn ruby red, yes, your heart is going to skip a beat. This is the sad side of growing succulents. This was my frilly Echeveria, and this is what has happened. This is my Echeveria chroma. Hope so it survives the monsoons. Still 1.5 months left. Showing you my frilly Echeveria, which is dead. I should show you something to be happy about. And this is my geranium, which is just doing wonderful. Now, thank you, my friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye-bye for today.